Welcome to 30 Days of Food as Challenge, and today we're going to be talking about food as medicines to deal with symptoms of PMS. PMS or premenstrual syndrome usually starts around 2 weeks before the period starts. The most common symptoms are breast tenderness, cramps in the stomach, anxiety issues, lower energy levels, and mood swings. Include green leafy vegetables, which are a rich source of iron and calcium to combat the symptoms of PMS. You can include them into your salads or have it as a smoothie. Number 2, berries. Make sure to add a lot of berries, which are high source of antioxidants and basically which helps you to release your inflammation and release bloating. It is also amazing for breast tenderness. You can use it as a mid-meal snack. Number 3, include nuts into your meal plans. They're filled with magnesium, excellent source to reduce your water retention inside your body and uplift your mood. So make sure you can add it as a meal or you can add it over your salads. Lastly, dark chocolate. It has serotonin boosting ingredient that uplifts your mood. So you can indulge in a 1 or 2 piece of chocolates and have a delightful treat. If you like the tips below, don't forget to save it or share it with your friends, and don't forget to follow me.